Good morning, class 6. Welcome back. Today we will discuss the last chapter, chapter 10, that is more on internet. So if you have your book, turn to page number 117. So in this chapter, we will discuss about understanding of e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce means we will discuss about the online shopping sites, okay, which you normally do. So understanding of e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce, okay, the full form of e-commerce is electronic commerce, is the process of buying and selling goods over internet. So children, you must be buying goods or you must be buying stuffs using different sites and an internet. So you can sell your goods also in an internet, okay. So that is known as the e-commerce. As the popularity of internet services evolved, online business took advantages of this digital revolution. So today we do everything online, okay. So whenever we wanted to buy something, or if you are looking for some new fashions, if you are looking for some new brands, then we always check online, okay. So majority of the population engages in online buying and selling of the goods and services. So children, you know that we cannot even only buy product or goods, we can also sell our second-hand product using online sites, okay. So people find it very easy and convenient to shop from the comfort of their home. So if you are doing online buying and selling, then you don't have to come out from your place, okay. Especially during this pandemic, you don't have to go out, okay. When there's no safe, you don't have to go to market, you don't have to go to town to shop anything. You just simply sit at home and you can do online shopping using some of the online shopping sites, okay. The online business also provide enhanced services like wide selections and great discount offer and attractive to attract the customers. So what happens, like whenever you are checking any of the online sites, and what happens, sometimes you see some attractive Diwali offer, 50% off, 70% off, these and that, no. So that is specially for you, for people to get attracted towards the sites, okay. The use of digital technology is in the domain of business have been beneficial for both the business companies as well as the customers. So because of the internet, because of e-commerce, so people are selling their products, selling their goods through online, and we as a customer also, for us it is very, very convenient for us to simply stay at home, sit at home and do online surfing. We can buy many things using online sites, okay. So children, there are so many e-commerce websites, as you all know, like Paytm, okay, Paytm, like Zomato, like Amazon. These are all online e-commerce sites. Apart from these, apart from these, there are so many online shopping sites which you might have installed it in your mobile phone also, okay. So what are the benefits to business if you are doing an online shopping? Low cost of investment. The initial investment of an online startup is less as compared to a physical retail store which incurs space and more staff. So if you are opening a store, okay, if you are opening a store in town, then you need a space, right? You need a space and you need a staff also, no? But if you are doing an online selling, if you are selling to online, then you have to invest in a very low rate, right? And if you are doing an online business, then the online business will reach globally, right? So you don't have to go door to door to sell your goods and products, okay. People will find it through internet, so it's a global reach. A physical store has limited customers, obviously, like you can see in the town also, if people are selling anything, then limited customer will come and limited customer will buy the product. But if you are selling online, then people around the world can search through internet, through some of the e-commerce sites, they will reach up to your store and they can order using e-commerce sites, okay. And this is a very, very easy marketing also. Now comes benefits to the customer. As we as a customer also, e-commerce has benefited us a lot. Like you don't have to go door to door, you don't have to go out door to door for shopping, and you don't have to keep trying your product, like sometimes your size doesn't fit, sometimes your color doesn't match, no. But if you are shopping through an internet, then you can just type your size, your color, your design, whatever you're looking for, you will get as per your choice. And not only that, you can get a wide variety on discount, okay. Online, if you are doing any online shopping, then you can see a wide variety and a very good discount, okay. Online buying and selling. The process of online buying and selling is very easy and very simple, because you all know how to buy and how to sell. There are many e-commerce websites which are specific to certain goods and services. Some websites sells every category of goods. You all know, children, that there are some categories on a website, like for example, whenever you log into Myntra, Amazon and all, in a Myntra you get all varieties of you will get varieties of outfits, right? And there are so many other things also you will get it in Myntra. But like if you log into Amazon, then you'll get an extra varieties. Like Amazon, it's from like itself says A to Z, no, you will get everything, all varieties in Amazon, and it's quite the products will be very good also, and you'll see a branded product in Amazon, okay. And it's quite reliable also. The products are quite reliable also in Amazon, okay. So whenever you are doing an online business, whenever you are buying an online goods, then what happens, you have to pay using your your cards, no, using your debit cards or credit cards, okay, or you pay using your Google Pay or Paytm and all, no. So online shopping allows digital money transfer and cash payments. So digital money means you can pay through cards, or you can pay when you receive the product, which is known as COD, or which is called cash on delivery. You can pay when the delivery boy delivers it to you, okay. So it's quite safe also. Now the online modes of payment. There are so many modes of payment through online. Normally we pay through our debit card and cash on delivery. So you know that you can do credit cards, credit payments also, and you can do e-money also. The credit card means credit card are widely used around the world as a common payment method of e-commerce. So if you don't have a money in your account, then you can use your credit card to pay your online bills, okay. So what happens when you pay to a credit card? To the bank you have to pay it later, but to that particular website you can pay to credit card, okay. Credit cards are plastic money that represents a line of credit. There will be a certain limits for credit issues to the credit card holders on a basis of various criteria like annual income, age and so on. So children, like later on you can also make a credit card, and you can make use of a credit card. If you don't have a cash, you can make use of a credit card. You can pay through credit card to the online sites, to the e-commerce sites, and later on your bank you'll have to pay to the bank. After the bank will give you, I think 48 days the time period, so you have to pay within that limit, okay. So that is a credit card. So some of the popular examples of credit cards are Mastercards, Visa cards, American Express and on, okay. Mastercards, Visa cards, all these are credit cards. Now the most common mode of payment is the debit card. Debit cards are very similar to credit cards. The card looks exactly same, okay. Your debit card, which is we normally call it an ATM card, it looks normally same. Debit and credit look same, but the main differences between debit and credit card is that debit cards are directly linked to your working bank account. So your debit card is linked, whatever amount is there in your bank, whatever amount you have deposited in the bank, that debit card is directly linked to the bank. The money spent using the debit card will be deducted from your account. Obviously, if you are paying to a debit card, then your money will be deducted from your account balance, okay. And The money spent using the debit card will be deducted from your account at the time of purchase, right? That you know very well. Well, using the debit card, you have to make sure that your account is having the balance. You have to have a balance when you are using a debit card. But if you are using a credit card, you don't need a balance. I told you, you don't need a balance. Your bank will lend you the money, then later on you have to pay. Within a time period you have to pay to the bank. That is a credit. But if you are using a debit card, then you have to have a balance in your account. Okay. Now comes the e-money that you also know very well. E-money is an instrument of digital payment which is accepted globally. Globally means wherever you go, your e-money will be accepted by any of the companies. Electronic money refers to money that exists in banking computer service system, that may be used to facilitate electronic transaction. Okay, there are many instant real-time payment applications and services which use digital cash. One of the popular digital e-money system is Paytm. In India, we use Paytm. If you have a Paytm, then you can transfer, you can pay using a Paytm, which is called an e-money. In Paytm also, you have to have a certain, your Paytm will be linked, your Google Pay will be linked to your bank account, and using that bank account, your Paytm will, you can pay using the e-money apps, okay, like Paytm, Google Pay and all, you can pay through that also. So these are all about the e-commerce side. So you all know that e-commerce is an electronic commerce where you normally buy and sell your goods just sitting at home. You don't have to go out if you are doing an online shopping, and within 1 week or within 5 days they will deliver your product at home. You don't have to go out, so it is quite safe also. And if you don't like certain, like sometimes what happens, whatever you expect something and you will get something, no, and that in that case you can always exchange, or you can always put a return request to the company and they will take it back and you will get back the money. It's quite safe. But whenever you are doing an online shopping, children, you have to make sure that you log in to a proper e-commerce sites. Okay, you have to have a proper e-commerce sites. You have to download the apps, okay, e-commerce apps like Myntra, Amazon. As I told you, there are so many Flipkart, Snapdeal, all these are the e-commerce sites. You have to download it properly. Okay, so you have to log into the apps, and using those apps you can using those apps, okay, you have to download using your ID and passwords, and from that particular apps, if you buy anything, right, if you buy anything using that app, then if the product that which you have received is damaged or the size doesn't fit, then you can always return if you have a app. Okay, so it's safe also, and it's easy also. You don't have to go out, especially at this phase, like you don't have to, it's not safe to go out, no, you can just simply sit at home and you can just surf through on e-commerce sites, and you can always buy and you can sell your product also, like you know, this one, there's a site called, what is that, you can sell your old stock, okay, that is called selling also, and at the same time you can buy your stuffs also using e-commerce sites. So this chapter is all about buying and selling of the product. But how do you buy? You can buy a product using your, there are so many modes of payment, as I told you. You can buy it using your credit card, using a debit card, using your e-money like Paytm, Google Pay. All these helps us to pay. Okay, these are the mode of payments. So these all help us to pay an online payment. Or if you don't want to use a debit card, credit cards, e-money and all, then you can always pay cash on delivery also. So you receive the product and you pay them at the time of delivery. Okay, so children, so you have to study till here, till e-money. Okay, so I will be sending you the PDF which contains the questions, answers, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true and false and all. So you please write down in your computer copy, and you have to study for your annual exams also. Okay, thank you class.